Shut the door. All right, y'all. Ooh, I need to move the shit out of the way. All right, guys. Camera bag on. Legacy all taken care of. She's all hooked up. And I am going to go take some pictures of her. 6 times up and down the stairs. That shit was crazy. So let's get this garage door up. Get out of here. Alright, y'all, I know it's a little dark and the video is grainy as fuck, but we're headed off to the spot. Or, well, to find a spot. Alright, here we go. Oh, man. Alright, so, hell yeah. Car's running well. Probably gonna go downtown. There's a parking garage that I'm gonna try and hit up.
I could do this all day, I could do this all night, all month, all year, for my whole entire life. Who you know got a home but seen to live on the road, looking like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros. Music for the people, I used to rap on the train. Now I rap on the stage and I'm used to capital gain. I ain't asking for change.
Alrighty, y'all. So that shit is super fun. Shit's over. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm gonna head home, chop this shit up. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, check me out on Instagram, theRumbl. Holler!